Sometimes I keep panicking like the flowers of hell are reaching for us. Hell is on earth, living in us. We become so pro in our criminal, we become the cons. The two ones kill us from day one. Crisis. So it's July, August, spring 1981. The time is 2 a.m. Supreme National Revolutionary Council force field marshals armed with teeth of our national armory aimed for aggression to unhook crooks, to rule hook and crook, by hook or by crook. DK then in Britain, order broke water, its neck hacked and yanked like a rock chair. In order, guns fell into civilian neck like endorsements, releasing convicts to convict their jury. Corrupt officials in their breweries looting in fury, raping and killing thousands. Who did? A Radical 2000, led by KSS. This surprised DK, then invited AJ to honor 1965. A treaty to a defense pay, his troops with AK stormed to quell this death day. Mass incarcerations in Bakau Primary, Brikama, and Mile 7. On January 1st, 1982, Gambia rose like a hay bale, became a confederation in 1989, thanks to AJ, another baby who can share his PT. He rather perpetuate than play trade. We felt played. After all, we needed him. Since our state stayed, we walked the aisle and married bail. Gave battle commissions therein. People sailed in inline scale. Return what they stole, the culture of stay safe. That's all we know. And stay tamed. Amid all this state mail, we managed to stay safe, like the smiling people of Stay Lame. Because history is a prize. It's won when a loser has won.
Yeah.
It's these jokes we tell folks in law. It's these tracks we walk on in our songs. It's tears and mouth. It's suits sewn deep in our dirt. Thank you.